Hi, it's Adreset, and today I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus. So first go into the settings. Right here scroll to the battery, charging options and change to the top speed. Next, check your cable and the charger for any damage and compatibility. Also, right here is the charging port. You can clean it with a non-metallic tool. Don't use any metallic tools because you may damage the charging port. Use wooden sticks, Q-tips, or compressed air. Also, you can test with another fast charger or an outlet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.